Today, we will talk about key and trim from start or end, select all text and save in AGen software. In AGen software, the users can easily trim the text box, select text and save. Let's give an example in bullet management. In this page, I have added 3 text boxes with different function for demo. The first text box, after enter, trim the start of the end of the input. You need to set the trim and end in the form. Second, after enter, the text box will auto-select all the text. Lastly, after enter it will perform a save. Let's see the result in form management. In this page, after enter the text will change according to your setting. Press enter to select all the text in the text box. Press enter to save the form. Now, you can check the saved form in data. It is located at the left sidebar. To know us more, you can visit us at agen.mobi or scan the QR code on the screen.